Just some quick updates for everyone about what's been happening recently and why I haven't been making as many videos and doing many drawings. I've gotten into doing more photography recently, and there's a lot to learn about it, and it's a bit complex. It can be a little bit complicated, but I'm having fun doing it, and I'm using that to help me get better with making my drawing videos and everything, because I didn't really know a whole lot about the different type of lenses and how they work. And the lens I have on my camera right now is the 50mm Canon lens, and it has an f 1.8. Now, the lower the f-stop is, the better for the lens for the camera. You can get better lighting and everything, so I'm using that one because at this point it's kind of getting dark out, and so my other lens you wouldn't be able to see anything. But I've been working on that and working on trying to get more work submitted to the art museum. I look forward to doing some prints there that I want to sell, and I probably will be doing many more shows there, submitting more work. And I had fun when I went there. There was a lot of people there, hundreds of people, and hundreds of people submitted work in, and it was a lot of fun. I didn't get any award or anything for it, but I was just happy to be there. I didn't think I was even going to make it into the show with my artwork. And the one I submitted was a really big abstract drawing, and that one took me, oh man, 1,000 hours to draw. It was a long time. I was very happy when I got it done, and it was good. I liked seeing what other people had, and the winner of the art show, they had a big painting that was there. It's like a realistic portrait painting. And there's a couple other ones that were just massive. They're like these, how big was it? Probably 12 feet. And there's a couple of those there. There was several sculptures. And I started doing carving recently. I just carved an apple. I had a video I did of that recently. And if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it right here. And I started doing a little bit of carving. I had an idea that, because I've always been really good with working with things with my hands, that maybe I could do some carving and that I might be able to do a pretty good job at it. And so I just started carving an apple, and I've got to get some better wood carving tools. The ones I have are really cheap ones I got at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and they kept breaking every time I would try to do any carving into wood. And I was using a really soft wood, the woods that were recommended to use, and those weren't working. So I'm probably going to get some like those X-Acto knives, start out with those, just do some easy carving and then work my way up from there. I'm thinking about doing, submitting a carving and some photography into the next art show that I am a part of. I'll have to look and see when the art show is. I don't know at the moment. Haven't seen anything listed over the next 6 months. So whenever that comes out, I'll let everybody know. But yeah, just working on that, photography, working on getting better at making the videos with the video recording, working on submitting stuff to Art Museum, and just been really busy with work. So I haven't really had the time to do as many drawings. I've still been working on it and practicing, but there was just a little bit of updates of what's been happening, what I've been doing, and I'm probably going to make some videos here soon as well about my photography and about some of the photos that I've done. And if you have any suggestions about some places that I could do some photography, or some good times to do it, you gotta let me know, and I'll check that out. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.